birdie.
Yummy, yummy. I feed this bird all the time and it's still mean as fuck to me. I swear to God, I try to put my hand in and she tries to bite me. It's a dickhead. It's beautiful. It's not even eating the fucking bread, it's dropping.
He's like, fuck your bread, bitch. Hey, little birdie. He's camera shy.
He's like, what the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? Let me
He's
just
so fucking making a mess, bro. Just put that shit in your mouth and eat it.
eat it, motherfucker, eat it. No, don't bite me, don't bite me.
Oh, alright. Alright, good luck with that shit.
Oh man, this should be a mess, and look, but he's still eating it. This is my garbage disposal.